Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can display an upsell product inside the cart page or a cart drawer. I'm using Upsell Cross-Sell Selleasy app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. This is a powerful tool that helps you to increase your store sales with some upsells or a cross-sell blocks or the offers. So let's dive into the video. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So after installing this, you can see the app showing up in the app section of your Shopify admin panel in the left hand side. So go to the Selleasy dashboard and you can just click on create campaign. There is some default campaign previews and settings over here. Since we are focusing on the cart page, let's scroll to the cart page, and I'm planning to have the cart page to be showing up the upsell as in-cart upsell. Either you can just go for the pop-up ones also. There are two more pop-ups available over here. I'm just particularly focusing on the in-cart upsell. So click on create. First one, you have to give some campaign name. Let's give a meaningful campaign name for this so that I can just easily identify this from my list of campaigns. And you can just select the product for which the offer is displayed on the cart page. Either you can go for the all the products or the specific products like that. And there are some variants also like collections, tags and all. And I'm just, if you are going with the tags, then you can just browse the tags. And if you are going with the specific products, you can just browse the product and add the product like this. And for now, I'm just planning to have this for all the products. And the offer selected products, we can just suggest for the trigger products in the cart for the manual selection or a automated one. I'm just going with the manual selection. And these products, you can just have the specific one or a specific variants or the products using meta fields like that. I'm just having it for the specific products. Like I can select the specific products like this and add up this to the campaign. And there are multiple settings of for the campaign, whether it should show the quantity picker or don't show the product that are already existing in the cart, and randomize the order of the offer products like that. And you can also limit the number of offered products shown like two. The limit has been set to, I'm just giving it to 2. And the discount section consists of either you can go without any discount or you can use Selleasy discount functions, and the discount that are dynamically created ones, or all the code which are existing already in your store like that. So I'm just going with the Selleasy discount functions. Either it could be a product one or the free shipping, and I'm choosing the product discount with 10% discount, and I'm just giving my code as upsell 10. And a combination, which means that you can just combine the upsell discount with the existing ones like the product discount, order discount or a shipping discount. I'm not planning to have the combination, so I'm just deselecting that. And you can also schedule the campaign date from which it should start, and from when it should end, those timings and the date you can mark up in this calendar. And the timing also you can see like this. And you can just have the campaign title like people's also viewed or loved, something like that. And also like you can just give the campaign subtitle like elevate your style with treatment products. I'm just going with this. And yeah, you can just have this much data has to be filled here, and you can save this. And after saving this, you can see that the test campaign in the store. Before that, sometimes you may not be have to be marked up this last section to be as the past. Like we have to add the widget block in the theme editor. Sometimes I have already created the theme editor widget block here with this app. That's why it's showing like this. Otherwise, you have to go to the theme editor and go to the app section and add the cart upsell block widget block to the theme editor and save it. Then only you can just see the campaign in the store. So I'm just having or I'm just landing to the cart page, and you can see that the uh, recommended products is showing like this and the cart page. So that's how you can easily create or display upsell products offers inside the cart page or your cart drawer. So I think this video is helpful for you. If this finds helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment, and share. Don't forget to try this out in your Shopify store too. Thanks for watching.